Today we're going to install a Montech 12.1 inch LCD into an Okuma OSP 5000 control. So I've already disassembled this so you don't have to watch me undo screws, but I can tell you basically what I've done. I've removed the back cover, removed the outer enclosure, removed the CRT, and also there's a power supply over here that I've removed, and the cover. So what you're going to be left with the front panel. And since we're putting a larger 12.1 inch LCD screen on the front of here, we're going to have to remove the front bezel to make it all fit. This particular design was designed to mount on the front, which actually makes it a little easier to do the install. It has an anti-glare glass on the front, so you don't have to worry about glare. Like the original plexiglass on here has a really bad glare on it. So what we did, we removed 2 screws here, 4 screws on the back, and it might be a little stuck and just from sitting there, and you remove the front bezel and you're left with an opening. Just take a little Windex, clean that up so the edge is nice and smooth. The LCD comes with a foam gasket around it so it presses into seal. And you take your LCD, there's a mounting on the bottom of the LCD right in here. So what you're going to do, just hook it on just like that, and just a press fit, and then Montech provides this little bracket, and you take your screw and washer, and you got a second person helping you. That just makes things easier when you're trying to hold things, but you don't need it. If you're doing it from scratch, plan on a half an hour, but if you're doing a bunch of them, as you do more, it gets a little quicker. And so this ends up sealing nice and tight around here, and the Montech provides the adapter video cables for the same monitor. Works with the color one as the monochrome one, is just has a different video connector. There's a 20-pin connector for the color and an edge connector for the monochrome. Okuma also processed the video signal for the monochrome really weird, so Montech provides a special adapter that manipulates the video to work with our monitors. The video signal is not standard VGA, it's a very unique video signal, and the LCD here that we have is programmed specially for that unique video signal. And you end up just walking your steps backwards, putting the enclosure back on, the power supply, the back panel. You plug all your plugs in and put it back in your machine, and away you go. If you have any questions, you can go to our website, www.montech.com. Thank you.